Your boy got out here and put in that work. I don't want to touch that fiberglass. That fiberglass will have you itching like a real itch. Not like, scratch it one time and it's all good. We looking decent. All right, there we go. Oh. There we go. Maybe so. Just to get it as close as we can to its final resting place. Let's see what we got. I'll go one side. Of course, it ain't level that way. And we'll go the other side. So let's put this down. Bubble almost in the middle. I'm looking for that bubble, y'all. Got him, boss. I'm about to finish shooting some nails all the way around it, and then we'll flip it over, throw them other studs in there, and then seal it up. All right, let's flip this thing over. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's get it done like so. All right, wasn't too bad. It's that old saying, work smarter. See if it'll work out for me. I think maybe it did, y'all. 13. There you go. 13 and a half, 13 and a half. Drum roll, please. 13 and a half, baby. When math works, 13 and a half, man. Let's hit it one time. I'm hitting through the wood to the stud. One time. Let's check one more time. No, it ain't moved that much, but. Woo! I love it when it's right. From the middle of that to the edge, which is 15 and a half. This should be my stud. And if we do the same thing, I should be on my stud right there. Now that I know it, go down through this one with one. So now it's actually through the beam as well. Now I can move on to the next part. $16, $32. 16, and then that 32. There we go. All right. So we're going from the inside. Still 65. Get the crowns on this crappy wood. 65. 65. 65. And 65. There's the crown. No joke. Good, good. That's good. Man, shout out to my homies out there doing their thing, man. Because it's serious out here in the heat, getting your homestead on. To everybody watching us, we appreciate y'all watching, and we appreciate the comments. And here we go. Whew. Thank you, Cloud. Thank you, Jesus. Let me give y'all a closer look at my handiwork. It's break time, at least a 10 to 15 minute one, so I can keep putting in that work. I was hoping to go vertical today with the walls, so I was like, man, I don't want to throw it up for a little while and then don't even really need the thing and be trying to put it back up. But man, it's hot. So gotta do what I gotta do. Let me put these gloves on, grab some more OSB, make a couple of cuts for the top, and then we'll insulate the floor and tack down that subfloor. Easy breezy. It's the floor, so I'm not gonna double them up on the floor with my off pieces. I'm gonna just use another whole piece. And because I know it's relatively square now, I could just trace it. This little roll covers 88.13 square foot. So yeah, I guess the pieces, it's 9 pieces in the bundle. And then it's old school fiberglass. So I don't want to be all itchy. $65. That's one down. And before this puff up too much, let me get it in the next section. About 7 inches. All right. Put a quick staple down on them. For a simple lockdown. Man, it's way cooler under this canopy. This one gotta be stuffed in because it's the shorty. About 19 and a half. Hey y'all, check Jack out. He decided he was gonna come roll around in the spot real quick. Sit down, chill out. Yep. rolling around in the dirt. Sunbathe a little. If I walk up on him, he'll get up, so my bad, y'all. Y'all gonna have to watch from afar. And boom, I guess he got what he needed. All right, see what we got. I'm gonna lock down this side because I like it. Yep. And then go to this corner down here. It's a good corner. It's a good side. So I got all my edges tacked down. Everything's good to go there. Now I need to hit them on my studs all the way down. So I'm gonna grab a 2x4 because it's longer than this little 4-foot level. And I'm going to mark, let me mark real quick from this side to the other side. So there's my stud because I could see it. Another stud, another stud, and the other stud. And I'm gonna grab a 2x4 and run them lines. Yep. Boom. And all right. And let's put some nails in them. So now we know where the studs are in the floor. Definitely know the studs in the middle. That ain't no big deal. But when we're doing stuff and building stuff, I now have the markings for the studs in the floor. So this is a good thing. And we just need to go so far. Alright, knocked out everything, yeah. Oh, yes, y'all. We good. Ooh-wee.